Let's animate our first logo animation element. Select stroke layer and apply trim path animator on it. Now let's animate start property with 2 animation keys with distance of 20 keyframes. Start from 100 to 0 value. Then animate trim path and property again with 2 keys, same distance of 20 frames from 100 to 0 value. Now convert all keys in easy ease and jump in value edit graph, then edit graph as I did. Now duplicate start stroke layer, then jump ahead 2 frames and offset duplicate layer as second frame and change stroke color to yellow. Now select rectangle layers as I showed and open rotation property for all layers and apply 2 rotation animation keys with distance of 20 frames and apply 0 value on all start keys for all layers. Now select all line layers and trim all the layer from start as I did. Select all layers and convert all keys into easy ease animation keys. Select all keys and jump in value edit graph and edit graph as I did. Now offset all middle line layers as I did. Now select one of stroke line layer as I did and apply trim path animator on it. Now animation end property of trim path with 2 animation keys having distance of 25 frames having value from 0 to 100. Now select trim path animator and copy it. Now paste this trim path animator on remaining line stroke layers respectively as I did. Now select horizontal text tool and create our logo text. And adjust our logo text in composition as I did. I used Britannic bold font family for my logo text. Now select fresh text layer and apply position animator on it. And apply position value as I did. Now animate end animation property from 100 to 0 with distance of 30 frames as I did and convert keys into easy ease. Now open position property of fresh text layer and animate X position with distance of 30 frames as I did. Now select rectangle shape tool, and create rectangle covering fresh text layer and apply it as alpha matte on fresh text layer. Now duplicate the rectangle shape layer, and apply it as alpha inverted matte on juice text layer. Now select juice text layer and open position property. Now animate X position property with 2 keys having distance of 20 frames. And change value at first key as I did. Now select all the layers except background layer and pre-comp them. Now apply CC light sweep effect on pre-comp layer. Choose light color same as background layer. Change light reception option to composite. And shape option to smooth and CC light sweep effect. And change other values as I did. Now apply animation keys on CC light sweep effects center property as I did from 0 frame to animation end frame. Now duplicate CC light sweep effect and offset its animation keys as I did to generate shadow passing through effect. Our logo intro animation with shadow pass through effect is ready to use. If you have any queries please mention below in comment.